Hi guys, we are so happy that you are with us today, and this is our new video where I will show you how to see mutual friends on the Snapchat app. So let's go to the botting. So as you can check, we have the whole list of users, and this is all mutual friends. How I got access to this list? Oh, it's so easy. The first step, I need to open the Snapchat app. And when we are on the default camera screen, we need to go to the chat screen. Later, let's tap the Add Friend button. And as I said before, this is the list of all my mutual friends with somebody, with my followers or my following. And it's very convenient because I may know someone here and I can, of course, add somebody to my friends list to send their request to be a friend with somebody and create some chat with this person. Guys, unfortunately, the Snapchat app doesn't allow us to check with whom this person is our mutual friends, and we don't know who are the follower of the selected person, user, but we only can get access to this list, which is also very interesting and useful. And I hope that this video was very helpful, so don't forget about likes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, where we will post some new videos about the Snapchat application and other very popular and interesting apps. So good luck! Bye bye!